How to fix iPhone 16e cannot send receive messages without internet. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down in last and then click on apps. Now scroll down and click on messages. Now turn off your iMessages. After turning off your iMessages, then go back to your home screen and restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and it can fix minor glitches. Now slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general, and then scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and then click on reset network settings. Now here enter your passcode to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.